In this video, I'm gonna break down how to set audacious goals and actually achieve them. How you can set down a game plan and really plan out your goals and plan out every step to make failure impossible, right? If you follow these steps, it's going to be really difficult to fail at accomplishing these goals. I made it idiot proof, and I got a free template that you can download. It's going to be in the description of how you can put this together for yourself, right? I'm well suited to show you how to accomplish goals because I'm really good at accomplishing goals, right? Over the last few years, I've built several multi-8-figure businesses while staying in great shape, focusing on being a great father, having a great relationship with my girlfriend, my friends, my son, my niece, and my nephews. People say you got to sacrifice family, you got to sacrifice your health to get ahead. I didn't have to sacrifice none of that. I still got super rich while excelling in health and excelling in my relationships. And it's because of this system. And this is really the first time I'm breaking down the ultimate success system and how you can break it down for yourself. Now, this is very important. Before we get into it, when you have a goal, it's going to look like, let's say this trophy I'm drawing is a visual representation of a goal. I know I'm an amazing artist. Just try not to get too distracted by that. But in order to accomplish that goal, you need to take action. But you might be like really far from your goals. And if you just look at the goal, you might get sad, right? Because you're so far away from it. You might get discouraged, right? But I'm going to show you how you can just focus on the actions and how you can break down your goal into actionable steps. Focus on these actions and actually accomplish it. And I put together a template in Notion that I'm going to give to you for free. The link's in the description where you can actually put this together for yourself. Now check it out. I call this the Victory Vision Planner, and it's broken down into 2 steps. So it starts off with the Ambition Planner. All right. So you open the template, boom. For this example, I'll put in some dummy data, right? So for this person, his goal was he wants to make 100K in revenue per month. Easy game. My watch costs more than that, twice as much than that. It's easy, man. I know how to do that, right? YouTube, so he wants to get 100,000 YouTube subscribers. Oh man, I know a little something about YouTube subscription acquisition, right? I have 1.2 million YouTube subscribers, right? He wants to get a new Lamborghini. I don't have a car, but that's only because I just got my driver's license. I lived in Upper West Side of Manhattan for 15 years. I just took Uber everywhere. Just got a Miami driver's license. I have a car by the end of the year. Anyway, he wants to lose 10 pounds of fat. Oh, I've been a personal trainer for over 25 years. I know how to do all this, right? So these are his 4 main goals that he wants to accomplish. And so what we did was we broke these goals down into steps. So, and then we put a deadline to each step. You're going to erase this for yourself and put it in your own steps. But check this out. The first step, okay, he's got to analyze LTV. When I made this, I was assuming this person already had a business. Analyze LTV, which is lifetime value customer. You need to know that if you really want to scale your business. Analyze cost of acquisition, right? You need to know that if you want to really scale your business, right? Because that's kind of the whole game. Lifetime value versus cost of acquisition. Set monthly revenue KPIs for growth, right? The thing is, we put a deadline for each step. This is very important. This is one of the most important parts. Most people, when they set goals, they just say, oh, I set goals, and they never make a detailed plan. They almost never make fucking deadlines for each step. So now they're just wondering why years and years go by and they haven't accomplished shit, right? Because you didn't plan it out sufficiently. I'm showing you how to do that right now. Set up monthly performance reviews, develop upsell, cross-sell strategies for existing products or service, blah, blah, blah. It's a bunch of stuff that this guy has to do to hit that goal. Then his other goal was he wanted 100K YouTube subscribers. All right. So analyze 3 to 5 competitors. We have deadlines for every step. This is very important. Choose niche that align with your interests. Boom. Identify your target market. Research relevant keywords. And we put a deadline for each one of these steps. Same thing with the Lamborghini. Research and select model. Establish post-purchase financial plan. Blah, blah, blah. Research dealership prices. Pick financing or leasing options. Or blah, blah, blah. Lose 10 pounds. He's got to download MyFitnessPal. If you're not tracking, you slacking, right? He needs to buy a food scale, get gym membership, get a meal plan, get a workout plan. These are things he has to do, and I have a deadline for each one of them, right? Once you really lay out your goals like this, the steps can seem a little bit overwhelming. It can be arduous. So that's why I have these other tabs in the template. And again, you can download the template for free. It's in the description right now. And how it works is you click on this tab is this month. Oh, so now it's broken down into everything you have to do for each goal this month. So now it's it's more digestible. But then we can even take it down to this week, right? So we made the whole detailed plan for each goal. And now we break it down for each week. And now you can see in order every step, and you can see what the deadline and what goal is attached to. Does that make sense? You can see all your steps in one place for your whole life. This is going to be a game changer for you. I have a few one-on-one clients that I actually coach, and I started running them through this process, and I hit them up every day. You know, I was like, hey man, you got this going on this week. What's the deadlines for this? All of them except for 2 doubled their income, but the other guys, they increased their income. They had never been this aggressive and this detailed about their goals before. So anyway, we got all the steps for each goals that you have to do this week, everything you have to do this week. And now let's say, buy food scale. Okay, you're supposed to do that today, 17th. You can just do that real quick, go on Amazon, boom. Now we move it to done. So this is how we know what kind of progress we're making, right? Get workout plan, that's something maybe he's researching now, that's in progress. Get meal plan, that's in progress. Boom. Download my Fitness Pal, I can do that right now. Boom. So now we see what's left this week. Tomorrow he's got to go get a gym membership, and that's for the thing he has to do for his fat loss goal. By the end of the week, man, he has a customer acquisition costs figured out and his lifetime value costs. Then he's got to do things for his YouTube page. He's got to do things for his Lamborghini. It's all mapped out. And the beauty is when you're going to do each one of these tasks in your calendar, like when you're going to do them, that's where it gets crazy. You take each task, estimate how long it's going to take you to accomplish it, block that time off in your calendar. Then it's hard to lose when you do this. Now you see, we got the progress going, right? If we click on the bar that says progress, boom, this is all the tasks for all the goals, but you can see how much progress has been made in each one of them. Does that make sense? And then you can go back to the regular board where the goals are laid out in columns, and you can just look at each thing and where you're at on each part of it. And it's real cool for the one-on-one clients I have, because I can just go look at their goals. I can see where we are, man, what steps we made, what's behind, what's due. And then I can see what they have to do this week. I be like, hey man, you gotta get that gym membership tomorrow, man. And then tomorrow I could hit this guy up and be like, all right, man, we got that gym membership or what? What's good? What's going on? Right? I keep my clients accountable, right? But we make the plan together. But you're gonna have to do it yourself, but it's cool. This is gonna be a game changer for you. I mean, once you start doing that, you're gonna accomplish more in the next 90 days than you have your whole life once you really do this, right? Now, let's say he doesn't have enough data. That's cool, man. We can just change the date on this. I get this guy a few more days. Boom. Now it's not on this week no more, but it's still on this month. So if something doesn't get done, we just change the date. That's cool. It happens. And it is cool though, it's still on this month. So we never lose the task. We just move the due date. That's fine. It happens. I hope this is making sense. I hope you guys are all getting this. Now, these are mostly the one-time tasks. You're also going to have daily things you have to do. And that's where the success track comes through. All right, now check this out. Actually, one of my one-on-one clients, I took his data. We have the date and we have the day. And, he had this one goal and we were measuring how many hours he worked on this one goal each day. And you could actually add different columns or different metrics or different things you're tracking here. But that's just what we had for him. He needed to work on his goal for 4 hours a day. You can delete this if you want, or you can add more stuff. I track all types of stuff, but you can do whatever works for you. But here's where it gets cool. We tracked his income every day. So every day I told him, hey, how much money you make? Like personal income, like gross. We track that every day. Now this guy wanted to lose 10 pounds, right, in 1 month. To lose weight, you got to burn more calories than you consume. So that means you're going to have to work out, and you got to sleep right too. So we track how many hours he slept every night. And I put this little graph here because the goal was 8 hours a night. And he got it most of the time that we have it. So his average is 7.2, and that calculates automatically for you. We put, did he work out or not? Was he working out? Boom. And now he worked out 86% of the time. And that's cool. If you're like taking rest days every once in a while, that's fine. That's a good number. But here's where it gets crazy. We tracked all his macros. He's tracking in my Fitness Pal. We tracked his macros every day, and we got the averages. But we also tracked the calories he consumed each day and the calories he burned each day, right? And then we got the deficit, and it is average, right? So here's the thing. To burn a pound of fat, you have to burn 3,500 calories. It's really just math. So he burned way more calories than that. He tracked how many calories he consumed with my Fitness Pal. He tracked how many calories he burned. This guy had an Apple Watch, and Apple Watch has that functionality, right? And what's cool is we tracked everything, and then he put his weight in here every day, right? And we can see it all. Boom. And we can see his average weight. Here's where it gets cool. I set these graphs up. So this is his income, right? So we can see it every day. We saw that the stuff that we were doing, the game plan was actually working. You guys have this template too. It's going to work for you as well. So we set this graph up, and we can see that, man, this is working. We can see progress made. It's ups and downs, but it's higher lows and higher highs. The graph is moving up, and this is dynamic. So exactly, if I change this to 8, let's say I put this 8,000, the graph updates. right? It's dynamic. And the same thing with the weight. I set up this weight graph for him. Let's say he weighed 500 pounds. Jesus, he got big, right? It's dynamic. So what we can see, this way we visualize the data, and this guy lost 10 pounds. This is showing the results. These are the leading indicators, and these are the lagging indicators, the results. That's how goals kind of work. You have the result of your goal, what's called a lagging indicator. A lagging indicator really just shows what happened. However, the actions you take are leading indicators. Right, these are leading indicators. We could have looked at this chart and saw that this guy was in the caloric deficit every day. If we just looked at the leading indicators, we can safely assume that this guy's going to lose weight, right? And then we can look here and see what happened. This guy's working on his income goal for 4 hours a day, right? Half the fucking work day. We can safely assume that he's probably going to make more money. So that's the leading indicator. And here are the lagging indicators, actually what happened. I believe it's more important to find out what the leading indicators are and focus on them almost exclusively. And then you don't even have to look at the lagging indicators. You look at them, right, to make an assessment. If the leading indicators are on point, it should be all good. That's what the success tracking does. We track the leading indicators, right? But we also, over here, we track, these are more like the one-time task. It's got to be mapped out. It's got to have a deadline for every step. And it's really cool when you can break it down by week, by month. So it's more digestible. And then you can put all of this in your calendar and plan out how long it's going to take me to analyze the competition for my YouTube page, right? Boom. You estimate how long that's going to take. Put that in your calendar, right? You put all these in calendar. You can do it for the whole month. Or if you want a more bite-sized look at it, do it for the week. And if you don't get it done, then we change it. And it's hard to fail when you got a game plan like this. And this is why I want to give you that template for free. All right. The link is in the description. And listen, if you guys want help putting this together, you don't need to. You can do it all by yourself, right? But in the template, there is a link where you can book a one-on-one call with me. But it's going to cost money, because I'm like rich, right? But I like helping you guys. And I want, you to succeed. But you don't have to do that. You can just take the template. The template is free. You may not know how to put all this stuff together. And, that link is only going to be active for a little bit of time. I don't know how long I'm going to do that, but I'd like to help some of you guys out. I think it'll be a cool little thing to do. But you could just do this on your own, right? You want to get this and you got to delete the dummy data, right? This is all dummy data. You just delete it, bro, and you actually change it, set your own goal, boom, and then you make your own plan. You put each step of your goal in here and put it and assign a deadline to it in each column. And you can make more columns as well, right? If you wanted to make more columns, you just click here, make more columns. And same thing with the success tracker. If there's other things you want to track, you can put them in here. My tracking sheet is like super extensive. So here's one of mine that I had for January last year. I tracking a whole bunch of stuff, my sleep, my protein intake, calories consumed, calories burned, if I posted a YouTube video, how much time I practice guitar, practice Spanish, how many times I study, hours I work. So you can actually edit the template and make it as extensive or as basic as you like. So this template, you can change whatever this is and something else you want to track. You can add more stuff. It's super cool. I just wouldn't fuck with the income or the weight because that's attached to these graphs. I have it set up for you already. All you got to do is delete the dummy data and you might have to change the month, right? But the graph is there and it's for you. I'm super excited for you guys to tell me what kind of success you got with this, man. Download this template. It's all free. It's link in the description. Go ahead and get that, man. All right.